I had been traveling around in Mexico with Maria. We had seen some waterfalls and also gone snorkeling in really incredible places in the Pacific Ocean. We had also visited some really nice landscapes along the southwestern part of Mexico and also gone swimming in caves and stayed in several different nice hotels. But she had gone back to Texas where she lives and works, so I would continue the travels on my own. I have to move actually. I was staying in this place, but I'm gonna move today. I'm here in this town of Puerto Escondido, which is a surf town, and I have not yet booked the place where I'm gonna go to. So we're gonna take the bag and go and see where I end up today. So if you followed my last videos, you know that I have just packed up and I've gone to new places pretty much every single day, and I really like that. It's so nice because it feels like time is much slower. Like in the past 5 years I traveled around almost continuously, except for a few months here and there, but it feels like time has been much slower for me since I've traveled around. Before that, the 5 years before that, when I was going to college, I had a routine, and those 5 years just went by like that. I think it's the same if we have a job, like, and if we have a routine. The weeks, months, they just go by because we do the same things over and over again. We go to a job, we go back to where we're staying. Time is just the weeks after week after week, it just goes. And that's what I like about traveling. It's just like time is so much slower. I feel like 1 week, in the past week, I'm just going every day a new place. It feels like almost 2 months, usually, the usual time, which is the best thing I know about traveling. I was packing my bag again with all my belongings and getting ready to head out from this hotel. I had stayed in this hotel with Maria, about a 2-minute walk from the beach of Zipolite in the town of Puerto Escondido in Mexico. Today I was gonna go across the beach and into the downtown area. But first, some pool tricks! I'm doing a little frying session here while I book my place where I'm gonna stay. So I can't check in until 2 in the afternoon. So first we have to fry ourselves a bit, and then we're gonna go and check in. So the first thing I do when I've booked a place to stay, I go to my map that I've told you about before, maps.me. It's a really good, and then I save the location in the map as a bookmark, so I know exactly where I'm going. And I have that saved also, because sometimes when you get to a new place, you can get lost easily. It's so easy when you have a light bag and you have these maps. Really nice time. So I got a little chicken burrito for $3, 70 pesos, really good. It's a really good chicken burrito, a little bit cheaper here I think in Puerto Escondido than the previous places I've been in. $3 for this really big burrito. I'm gonna show you some more of the town also later. Cheers everybody, life is much better in the sun. It's cheaper to live here also than many other countries in the world. And you have the sun all year, perfect. You can fry yourself every day for the rest of your life. Let's head out. Now I'm on my way to the next place that I paid almost 3,000 pesos for 7 days, $150. So I'm gonna probably take a taxi because it's like 4 kilometers from here, so, and I don't want to walk. got into a taxi to go to the downtown area of Puerto Escondido. I would stay there for a bit and then check out all the beaches. I had come from the most famous beach, Playa Cicatela. In the next video you will see all the other ones. I'm here now in some kind of deep neighborhood in Puerto Escondido. Lots of people and cars, and the hotel where I'm gonna stay is here. Not so far actually from the beach, but there are so many people here. Look. The downtown area of Puerto Escondido seemed to have a bit older buildings, but still a really nice environment, and you could see also the mountains in the background. I had come here to stay for a bit cheaper, to sit and edit my videos most of the days, and then I would explore the coast. Hello! Now I'm here, downtown Puerto Escondido. It's not bad here actually, a bit better than I expected. So I'm gonna stay here and put together some videos and also check out the area a bit more. I had to move the bed because there's only one electricity plug here. It's not bad at all, this place. $21 per night, 400 pesos. I think what a lot of people don't know is that it takes up a lot of time to actually edit videos and upload it. Usually it's actually much easier if you stay in Airbnb rentals when you actually rent somebody's apartment, because then you have a kitchen and the fridge, you can make your own food. But I wasn't able to find any good deals there, so that's why I decided to come here to this hotel. It was a bit cheaper, but then the negative side is that I won't have any fridge here. So now I'm gonna go out and see if I can find some groceries. We will see what I can buy. Maybe some tuna. I would like to make some pasta, but I'll probably buy some milk and maybe some chips. I'm walking past some restaurants and some really crowded streets actually. It's kind of cool. Look. So here we have bodega. I got a big bag of food here from bodega. People have asked me how I can travel around so much, and it's usually because I go in cycles. Sometimes I live really nice places, and then I take some time, stay in some shittier places, buy my own food so I don't spend so much money. I spent a lot of my time here putting together a few more videos, and then I would take the bus and go up to one of the most dangerous cities in Mexico, Acapulco. The following days, I had been staying downtown Puerto Escondido and had gone down to two of the most famous beaches a couple of times, Playa Manzanillo and Puerto Angelito. I'm running down to the beach. I've done it a couple of times actually. It kind of stinks a bit on these roads. It's a bit dirty here, like trash here and there. It feels so good after you run, and then when I come out here on the hills and the sun is hitting the chest, the sun feels so nice here, and it opens up to the beach down there. Now I'm gonna do some sprints here in the hill, and then we're gonna go and jump in. Maybe 5 or 6 times 150, 200 meters up this hill here. So we get really sweaty and then we're gonna jump in. It's such an incredible feeling when the sweat is dripping and you just jump into the cold water to cool off. So I've done a few repetitions now. I'm gonna do a few more, and then I'm also gonna do some push-ups. Running is really good because you work out your whole body when you swing your arms from side to side, and then you need to flex your abs also every stride. That's why I like to do sprints, because it's like in this motion you work out your chest, then we go back, the back of your shoulders and your back. Now, here comes the best part. Jump in and cool off. What you're seeing here is Playa Manzanillo and Puerto Angelito, and also the open area where I had been doing some sprints up and down the hill. You will see more of this in the next video and all 7 beaches. I'm here on the beach. I've been coming here actually a couple of times. It's so nice. Really amazing to jump in. It's so warm today actually, the water. Really nice water. There's almost no better feeling than first working out and getting your body temperature really hot and then cooling off in the water and also enjoying some really nice sunlight. There are so many cool fish here. Blue fish and green fish and some corals. Really nice actually. The temperature is perfect, especially now after I ran. It's even more refreshing to cool off. This is the best actually. Cool off a bit and fry a bit and cool off. Fry some more. I'm walking up now. I've been running here actually a couple of times. Really perfect because the sun is always right here. You can fry yourself while you're running. I just went running actually because I've been sitting inside for too long. I was going a bit crazy. I was sitting 14 hours every day editing videos. So for this meal, 1 bag of pasta, 1 tomato, 1 avocado, 2 carrots, and then 1 can of beans and 1 can of tuna. So I also have this blue little plastic container with me that you might have seen before. It's perfect. I just dump everything in here. Sometimes I also have frozen veggies, like a big bag of frozen veggies, and I just dump that on top of the pasta also in the boiling pot. So that's even easier. And then you can just dump everything in your plastic container. So the tuna has some really healthy things in it. Lots of protein, and also the avocado is really good. Some really good fats in avocado. And with the beans you have an outstanding and cheap meal here. So now I dumped all the pasta in there and the carrots. This is what I was eating a lot actually when I was in my best shape. I want to get back in really good shape sometime, but I keep just going around too much. Once I have finished these videos, I'm gonna go to Acapulco, up the coast I think. And then my visa expires in Mexico 23rd of January. So I have to go before that. I spent a few days here editing videos, but soon I would be ready to head to Acapulco. Now I have to go to sleep actually 16 hours today in front of my computer, or maybe a total of 15 because I went for a walk and I also ate a bit of food. But a lot of people think it's just a really easy life to travel around and take videos. It's actually really hard. I think with anything in life, anything worth having comes at a price. It takes a lot of work if we want any form of success, I think, in any area of life. Nothing comes easy. It comes at the price. But I don't like that I need to sleep. I don't want to sleep. I wish I could just stay awake always and never sleep. So boring to sleep. I don't like to sleep. We need to be awake forever. Jump in the bed and do pool tricks, but there is no pool here actually. No pool to do pool tricks. If we work a lot, it's really important to do exercise to stay happy. I had, besides from working, gone running a couple of times. But thank you very much for watching this video. please leave it a thumbs up, post a comment, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Please also, when you subscribe to my YouTube channel, click the bell next to the subscribe button so you get notified every time I upload something.